because it's a major incident in Manipur. After so many months, now the resignation come into existence. This shows that because they are smelling that the Congress is trying to move the privilege motion or motion against the government and ministers in the assembly in Manipur, they themselves resigned. But this is not the end of the issue. This is what the opposition, especially Congress party, wants is there should be justice done to the Manipur people. Resignation comes, it doesn't make sense. End of the day, people have lost lives in Manipur, and people definitely need to get justice. And Narendra Modi ji, who has a lot of time to go to France and US today, I think he left. But he should find out some time to go to Manipur and address the issue there instead of traveling across the globe and making a statesman across the globe. First of all, we have to look after our own country, which is in most troublesome, especially the state of Manipur. And we expect with this resignation, there will be a inquiry and there will be a justice done to the people of Manipur. Yes, the one nation, one election, for me also, as what Revant Reddy ji said, it is to just get the control of the democracy and derail the democracy, get the control of all the political parties in this country. Their ultimate goal is to be in power forever and ever. For that, they can go to any extent, as we see in many states now. So this particular agenda is also from Narendra Modi to make sure that the one nation, one election will de-establish the regional parties and make a national party as the single largest, which he feels that the BJP will take over forever in this country as the single largest national party as of now, because his states are winning. But people of this country are clearly watching that, because yesterday I even see somewhere in the news that the Piyush Goyal ji was talking about the budget allocations to the South Indian states. Definitely it is a stepmotherly behavior of the central government, not taking care of states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. These states have been contributing a lot of money to the central budget, whereas they are getting only less than 50% as in return. But when we look at Uttar Pradesh is getting 300, means three times what they are giving. And shockingly, I have seen Bihar is getting 9 times. So this is how the central government, present central government is acting is against the South Indian states. Definitely, as Revant Reddy ji said, that this is an act of derailing the democracy, making sure that they stay in power forever and ever.